Are you struggling to keep your fleet on track? You're not alone. Many operations managers face challenges managing logistics efficiently. Fortunately, there's a solution that simplifies this process. Introducing SureCam's fleet management technology, combining GPS tracking and video telematics. With SureCam, you gain real-time insights to optimize your routes, improve safety, and boost customer satisfaction. Experience cost savings through reduced fuel consumption, improved driver accountability, and efficient route management. Our system stands out with risk-free equipment rentals, always-live customer support, and bundled monthly subscriptions. Don't wait. Transform your fleet management operations today. Visit our website for a demo and pricing.